Let's welcome the mayor of New York City, Mr. Eirik. Welcome, Mayor Eirik to Brooklyn Palace. We are honored that you are here. We are honored that you're in our presence. You did not have to be here, but you're letting people know that community is what they're all about. I'm honored that you're here. I'm so honored that you're here. Wow. Mayor Adams has served the people of New York City as an NYPD officer, state senator, Brooklyn Borough president, and now as the 110th mayor of the city of New York. He gave voice to the diverse coalition of working families in all 5 boroughs and is leading the fight to bring back New York City's economy, reduce inequality, improve public safety, and build a stronger, healthier city that delivers for all New Yorkers. Like so many New Yorkers, Mayor Eirik Adams grew up with adversity and overcame it. As one of 6 children born in Brownsville and raised in South Jamaica by a single mom who cleaned houses, Mayor Eirik Adams' family did not always know they would come home to an eviction notice on the front door or food on the table. And when he was beaten by police in the basement of a precinct house at 15, Mayor Eirik Adams faced a life-challenging act of injustice. But instead of giving into anger, Mayor Eirik Adams turned his pain into purpose and decided to change the police department from within. He joined the NYPD and became one of its most outspoken officers, calling out racism and bias in the department and pushing for major reforms. As a founder of 100 Blacks in Law Enforcement Who Care, Mayor Eirik Adams would often police the streets in a bulletproof vest, only during the high-crime 1980s and 1990s, and protest bad behavior by cops, the next marching side by side with his fellow civil rights advocates. He rose to the rank of captain, helping to build the first computerized system for tracking crime in the city, which led to historic gains in public safety. Mayor Eirik Adams' efforts to change policing began his lifelong work to improve and protect New York. From the NYPD, he moved on to the state senate, where he represented sections of Central and Brownstone Brooklyn. In Albany, Eirik built winning coalitions to advance New York City's values and goals, helping to push through measures to protect tenants and workers, combat gun violence, and NYPD's abuses of common affairs, and advance human rights, including marriage equality. He also became the first person of color to chair the Senate's Homeland Security Committee. He was then elected Brooklyn Borough President in 2013 by putting together the first coalition of Brooklynites to become the first borough's first black leader. Now, without further ado, it's time to bring to the podium the 110th mayor of New York City, Mayor Eirik.
Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum. And this is a beautiful space, and it is so good to be here again on Coney Island Avenue. You know, I'm not a new friend. I'm an old friend. This community has been such an important community for so many years. I remember many days Raheem and I walking up the blocks here. I see her wishes. I saw her somewhere. Walking up the blocks here and really just mobilizing this important community. I'm always happy to see how amazing Assemblywoman Jennifer Rashomon, you know, is just pushing and making sure that we are able to have an equitable city and deal with some of the public safety issues we are forging and fighting together. Look at this space. Think about this space for a moment. These are more than just four walls and a ceiling. This is a place where families are going to come together and gather. This is a place where you will have wedding ceremonies, where you have bridal showers, where new children are born. It's a place where you're going to meet and talk about difficult conversation. This is a place where the Brooklyn Chamber of Commerce will be here to make sure you tell business opportunities. This is a place where you will come and celebrate great achievements. And you will also come to talk about those loved ones who transitioned after they committed themselves to this great community, this great city, this great country. So this place and this real announcement is showing how well this community has come back from so many years of challenges and difficulties, of the rich community that's here. You believe in family, you believe in public safety, you believe in children, you believe in business, you believe in all the things I believe are important for our city to continue to recover. We've done what we promised. Jobs are up, crime is down, tourists are back, our businesses are doing well, more private sector jobs than the history of this city, and it's because of communities like yours. I think it's crucial that this community, which is a large Pakistani, Caribbean community, I think it's time from all of us, from various immigrant communities, first and second generations, to reach across into other communities. This Pakistani community should know of my brother Navaraj, who's here. You should know about the Nepalese community. You should know about the Haitian community, the Italian, the Irish, the Chinese community. This city is made up of immigrants, and the immigrants have built this city during the most difficult times. Join with your brothers and sisters who are New Yorkers for generations and generations. The beauty of New York doesn't matter if you're here for one day or if you're here for thousands of days. You're still part of the great energy and spirit of this great city. And this city is great because of places like this, gathering places where you can organize, mobilize, and energize the great things about New York. I'm so happy to be here. No matter what I have to do today, I want to come back to my hangout on Coney Island Avenue and say congratulations. Exactly. Insane. Okay. This is for you, right? Okay. They hand me paper. I don't know what they hand me. So we want to just say congratulations to you for your contribution to our global city. New York's cross-cultural ethnic mosaic is the source of our singularity and strength, providing us with the infinite reason to celebrate our diverse residents. The Kashmiri Miri, American infinite reasons to celebrate and continue to build and grow during these times. I won't read the whole thing, but I'm going to say congratulations to you. Good luck to you.
Right here, guys, just straight ahead.
And then if you look right here,
has a gift for you.
Jennifer has a large proclamation.
Hey, good evening. Assalamu alaikum. I'm so happy to be here for my good friend, Sagir Khan, and I'll always come for him because he truly exemplifies the best of our community. He works hard, he's an entrepreneur with big dreams, and he's making the American dream come true. We are celebrating the opening of Brooklyn Palace, but it is a palace with the walls where the American dream has been built by my good friend, Sagir Khan. And I came here especially for his daughter, my good friend. Let's give her a round of applause. Because, just like my dad, I know Sagir did everything for her so she can have all the opportunities in the world. And actually, he's preparing her to be president, right? President. But really, I think the mayor has said it all. The mayor who is with us everywhere, no matter what he's doing, he makes time for our South Asian community. And, in fact, that's why they call him the South Asian mayor. Can we give a round of applause for our first South Asian mayor? So anyway, I would like to, without further ado, present an honor to my good friend. And I'd like to read it. And I have the actual script, so can you hold it? Great. So it says, a New York State honors Sagar Khan on the occasion of the Brooklyn Palace Grand Opening Gala. Sagar Khan is an exemplary hospitality professional. And today, Sagar Khan opens a celebrated new event space that will delight the entire community. Whereas Brooklyn Palace promises to be a hub of activity in New York City. Whereas born in Pakistan, Sagar Khan has lived the American dream. And whereas Sagar Khan is now the pride of the Pakistani American community, now therefore be it proclaimed in view of all of his outstanding achievements, I award him this proclamation from the state of New York. Congratulations.
Mr. Mayor, thank you very much. You have to take your time from a busy schedule. Assemblywoman Raja Kumar, you are the best. You are one of our own. And thank you for this special proclamation. Thank you.
Can we have a picture, please? Mr. Mayor. Thank you.
And I also want to thank Deputy Public Advocate Kashif Hussain is here. Mr. Mayor Kashif Hussain, thank you very much, Deputy, for attending this fairness. There's so many people, so I'm not going to mention names, so maybe I'll miss some name and I'll be in trouble later on.
Thank you so much.
The mayor has another event to go to, but we stopped in here. I want to thank you once again, Mayor Eric Adams. We're proud of you. Continue doing a great job that you're doing. We need to have this area cleared so the event without the hearing. So I'm going to be in front of him so I can move you out of the way. Let's go. Clearing the area. You ready, Mr. Mayor? Come on. Come on, let's go. Out of the way, guys. I'll send the mayor out here. Let the mayor get to his next event. Thank you so much, Mr. Mayor. We're clearing the way for him to come out. He's doing a great job. You didn't have any food today because it's not vegan, but that's okay. Next time we'll have vegan food. So let's just keep walking out.